Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe video is jackfruit tacos. They're naturally vegan and gluten-free. Well, I can't get better than that. When choosing your jackfruit in the can, just make sure it's in brine and not syrup. Start by draining your jackfruit, rinsing, and shredding. If you find any seeds in the jackfruit, which you will, just crush them up with your thumbs. Once you're done shredding the jackfruit, place it in a large bowl. Now onto the marinade. We'll use a tablespoon each of paprika, garlic and onion powder, cumin, adobo sauce, and salt and pepper to taste. And if you really like some spicy tacos, add more adobo sauce. Mix the spices in with the jackfruit, marinate for 1 hour or overnight, the longer the better. Using a large skillet over medium-high heat, add oil, then add your marinated jackfruit. Stir your jackfruit frequently. Brown on all sides. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Give it a taste, see if it needs any spices. Careful not to burn your mouth. Okay, let's start these bad boys. Put it in a lettuce wrap, flour tortilla, salad, however you want it. Enjoy these delicious jackfruit tacos. You won't even miss the meat. Visit Vegan Gluten-Free Life for the full recipe. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. And check out my YouTube channel for more easy to follow video recipes. And most importantly, have fun in the kitchen. And if you want, let me know how you made this recipe your own. Can't wait to see you soon. Bye.